Good morning, everyone. How are we doing? Hope you are well. Have you had a good weekend? Morning, Dean. Let me just share this in the Discord 1 minute. Hey Mark, hey Aaron, how we doing? Did you have a good weekend? Hey Tara, hey Flo, how we doing? Let's have a little look at where we are. So we've come up quite a way since our open on Sunday night. There we go. So we've got our daily down here. We opened up our queue and we've gone very bullish. We are very bullish. Even here, a little bit of a pullback. Still managed to close bullish. So we are on a no news Monday. We've got heavy news a couple of days this week. Tomorrow is going to be a shocker of one. Anyone took any trades this morning? Right, so that's in the Discord. We'll get a big candle before the open, 2 minutes before. So it's been a quietish morning on the signals. Positive, winning, but not a huge amount in regards to the buy and sell. More on the golden candles. Put some music in my ear. It's very silent in here. Everything okay with the sound? I know we're on a mobile view again today. We're just testing something, so apologies. One win on CL. I've seen that on the Discord, Mark. Well done. See if we can make some money this morning. I don't think I'm going to be live tomorrow, guys. Heavy news. Got a few things to do for the kids for Christmas. Get final bits sorted and stuff like that. So I'm probably going to give tomorrow a miss. Zoo's not with me today. Was here this morning. He's got a couple of bits he's got to do himself, so he may pop back, but that poorly little girl this morning, unfortunately. So here we go, 10 seconds still open. Let's check we've got important levels on. We have. We've not got a lot below, above us as of yet. We did have a gap, but... So here we go with the open. See if it sweeps down first, or whether we're going to come back down to our Q and take London and Asia. No, mate. Zoo won't be live tomorrow, I don't think. He's very busy at the moment with the move, mate. That is one wiki candle. So we're getting a bearish golden candle. Sounds like somebody just drove past my office with a truck. Yes, as you've probably all seen, Zoo did absolutely amazing on the Tradeify Grand Cup. 6th place out of 18,880 something traders. Incredible performance. A prize of $35,000 plus what he'd also won on that. So he's done absolutely superb. That's his computer, not mine. Okay, so we have got a bearish golden candle, but it is in the hour. And it's took the top, so that's no trade. Let's let this settle down a little bit first. Not in any rush here. Let's see, looks like we're going to get a push down to the downside. Bide our time, guys. Chris, win. Well, fair play, mate. Okay, so we are getting a sell signal. It's a big candle. Let's keep an eye on it. We have come through the 4 hour. That is into the queue. We have a big bearish volume down. But I'm not going to lie, I don't like that one bit. It's too big a candle for my liking right this minute. If we look left here, we've come down and we've swept these here. I was painting. Only just started, to be fair. I ended up having to do a load of clean out to get it ready. So it was more clean out and then sanding. Painting's tomorrow. Yeah, this was a bit of a push down here. And I don't like the fact that it swept these lows. It just took this and this and then reversed. But hopefully it doesn't give us the option. It's going to come back off the 4 hour, invalidate it anyway. Yeah, it's taken a bit of work, but we'll get there. This one for the new year, for the gap indicator. We just want it to add value to what we're doing rather than just be another piece of kit, you know what I mean? That's because he's not in my ear churning away. So obviously we're looking for a bit of conviction in one direction. And we have gone, this was pretty level here. I wouldn't this chop here, I wouldn't be convinced that this is a bearish hour. And we've gone bullish, 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 pretty level, bullish again. So really, our general bias, if it's what you want to call it, is currently bullish, but we'll see. However, this looks like that was going to play out lovely. That's taken some liquidity here. Come back up. See if it comes down and taps the Q. Yep, so if you did take it, get your W's in the chat. Well done, guys. Well done. Getting a rejection off the Q. I am cautious when it does these sweeps. Comes and sweeps these areas here. In that first 15 minutes. I do still now expect it to come down. Take London low, Asia low at some point. So a decent draw on price. What do we think? Where do you think it's going? Why you don't get the same buy and sell signal? Have you got? Are you on Heikanashi, Ion? Are you? Have you got normal ticked here? One minute, NQ. I haven't checked MNQ. I don't know if the signal was on MNQ. Let's have a look. Normal tick, there you go. Yeah, I just got mine on default. See if we can get. Oh, I don't really want to trade. I'm not trading into the queue. So how long is everyone trading for still? Are we just cracking on? Are you having any time off? Oh, not on the music. I've got to get something long enough. I've got a new loop. I've just been so busy. I've created the music. I've got it done. I've just got to get it all over and then put on here. There's a different audio mix for you. Something that doesn't get me done on copyright. That's mine. Well, we would need a pullback to get any more bearish golden candles or sell signals, but it doesn't look as though we're going to get that. We could well go crashing straight through the queue here and come down to the daily. Oh, the lo-fi. It's lo-fi. I was looking for sort of, what's the word I'm looking for? I was looking for sort of relaxing, royalty-free music. God knows where I found it online. I think some of them are from YouTube themselves. I thought they can't do me if I've used their own ones. So we've got our queue. Previous 4 hour. All warranted levels to be careful of. See if we get a bounce. See, this will be a good area here. If it takes these, this will be a good area of rejection. If you're looking for a long. Just whether or not it does, or it's going to come crashing down through to Friday's low. See? Is the Q gonna get smashed? Oh no, he's here.
You feel like you got.
What price did you have the gap at? Is it 216? I'm not clapping him. I've clapped him enough. Gapman's just coming with some info, so.
Mid daily, so like 240.
Oh, it's quite a higher, so no, it's not quite filled it yet then.
No. And then regular trading hours. Still got more to go on that one as well. That one's at like 215.
Yeah, that's right down.
218, yeah. But sometimes we'll come halfway, done now. 2 hours. Got the finish for that as well.
So rejecting off the Q. Good. I see we can break through now. Come down. We've got, as I was mentioning there, we've got a Q gap around here. And then regular trading down just above your previous day, or just below your previous day low, actually. Oh, there you go. 218. Was the low of the day at the end of the day?
Cheers, pickles.
Okay, so we are getting a break below. Another break candle, white this time, now going gold. $30 left on that candle. It's just whether or not it already takes these levels, because if it takes London and Asia in this candle, I will not be entering. See if we're going to come and fill that Q gap. Not a lot of volume at the minute. Not yet. Yeah, today it is. We're trying, we're testing, back and forth. Sell signal and MNQ. Interested? Not yet on this. How you doing, mate? Welcome. Thanks for commenting. Appreciate you interacting. Yes, does come with the 1 hour, 4 hour levels. That is the Alpha Zones Pro. As you can see here at the top. Your Alpha Zones Pro is your levels. And the golden candle is the indicator, signals, trend wave, all the other things that you see there. The only thing you see here that doesn't come with is the important levels. That is also available, but it's not with the standard one. You get trading traffic lights, golden candle, and your Alpha Zones Pro. It's fighting in the daily a little bit.
My God. Paper trading is
1 minute. So we've taken London. We're going to push down and take Asia.
Q's got a bit more. Even though at Q levels there, Q's got further. Gap's still further down as well from Q. Nearly there. Up there. Even. CP.
Little ping into Asia.
Who?
That is me out. GG. Get your W's in the chat.
Got a little run.
Yeah, Chris is taking every trade. Even ones I'm telling him not to take, he's still taking them. Well done, Chris, Tara, Connor, Mac, Flo, Aaron, Dean, Rodrigo, Matthew, Mark, Chris, Alan. That's a lot of W's. Well done. So 1 trade for me, 1 win. Didn't take the first one, still played out. Yeah. It felt like the expansion. Quite easily could have come back up and wicked us out there. Yes, you are right. So we've swept Asia. London low. But we do have our previous day low below.
Q's not done yet either.
I thought it was 240.
He's trying to back them both perfectly. It's different price.
But you're the gap man.
All right.
But we're taking golden candles if they fit the narrative. If they don't,
My runner is.
then we won't.
170.
That's what you're going for.
Yeah. Well, I took partial at Asia, obviously. On this really stressful paper trade. It is trading, paper trading. It's like going into a shop with Monopoly money. And 2.6 million, here we go.
Big wick down.
Big Q might be down.
179, I'd expect so.
Yeah, Q queue is virtually there. I think this might be it. It's basically filled now, so we can see maybe a little bit further, but yeah. I hate trading you, even on paper trading. Why I hate this so much. Like, try to close this trade, it's still going.
That's why I wouldn't trade on Trading View, mate.
Look,
It's just crap.
close the trade, and it's still running. Ooh, failed to close position. Something went wrong.
No, I took the golden candle.
That is a perfect fucking cube build, by the way,
Straight down. Wah.
from the 9 click game. Q and when you've got that and Q at the same time. Yeah. It's pretty good.
Well, not as a standard, but it's not. What you're looking for there, Aaron, is a hard and set rule, and I don't have a hard and set rule with the daily. The daily is going to depend on what else is going on, and the London low is there, Asia low is there. I've got a Q gap below. We've had a sell signal where it's played out. We've then broke a golden candle through the Q. For me, that was like, well, no, I don't really like taking them into the daily because you can get a rejection. However, there's plenty of reason for that trade to carry on. So for me, I was prepared to take that risk on that.
Yeah, also the current daily low is a lot further down.
It is.
So, for example, if it's going to be a statistical bullish day and the low's in the first hour, which can happen a lot, we can come all the way down and fill that gap without taking out the current day low.
Yep.
And carry on back up.
Yep.
If the current day low was just below the daily, then yeah, maybe, possibly, but there was many reasons to come down there. No divergences as well on the way down. Nothing to say the price is wanting to come back up.
Yeah, it swept those levels, and that's what I'd seen before. You can see that on that hourly level at 2, 3. So the Q gap is filled.
Yeah, it's better trade than that sell signal. Even though I suppose after it came back up, it came down through, it didn't go on the win, but it's difficult. Oh, he only just got that up there, changing what's it called, direction.
Yeah.
Just about.
Break.
Break, yeah. We just got a bullish break. Here we go. We still got a gap from
Last Tuesday.
Friday. Yeah, Wednesday. Didn't quite. It was just incomplete, but yeah, Fridays. Whoa, look at that.
Well done, crypto.
Is all your crackers?
In the pack? Didn't eat them all. So we've got the new 4-hour candle. See if we can get a bit of movement, whether it's going to bash its head on the daily and then come down further, which it may well do. We do have 2 4-hour lows below, plus your previous day low. Now you want to short to the previous day low or long above to the Q. Yeah, I wouldn't mind a bounce off the Q. It came through it quite comfortably. I prefer a short. I definitely prefer a short, Aaron. See if we can get a break here. Get a close below. I'd rather a push rather than this wicking dribbling that we're getting at the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle again. Seems to be what we always get though. See if it closes below, which it looks, ooh, thought it was going to, not yet. Which is probably better. We can get a push down, get it to break and close below the 1 hour, the 4 hour. As much as I don't want a really large candle, I would like it to be a little bit bigger. Never saying that again. No, why do you have to extend? Why do you have to go further? Oh, I hate trading view. Sorry.
No idea what's so delayed.
I don't trust it. Doesn't fill. It's delayed. Errors. Okay, so we're definitely below our 1 hour and 4 hour. We've just put in that low. See if we can get a sell signal. No volume as of yet though. Bearish directional volume. Not quite enough yet. Did get some bearish volume at the end. I can click that on just so you can see it, in case you aren't. Pop it on for now anyway, because we're not getting a lot of volume.
The ATR's still high though, 29.
Yeah, stay pretty steady.
It's big on Friday. That's why I couldn't trade even one MNQ. It just didn't have the room.
Come on, Nasdaq.
What did you do? Did you schedule it? What did you do?
I scheduled it, but I've gone through OBS, like you said.
Yeah, I'm not used to it.
Because otherwise it's not the right. I'd have to change all the thumbnail and all the thing and everything, so I've just done. I've scheduled it, but it's exactly the same without the button. But it's definitely not the schedule, because all the others use scheduling. Even Slade and that, they all use it. But the views are dead.
Short page just came. That's obviously.
Trade debate. Yeah, just do it on Trade Debate. You are absolutely right, Mark. Guys, if you haven't given us a like, please do. Let's try and get this stream out there. See a few more of you on here. Thank you to all 24 of you who are on. There we go. Thank you. If you've had a win and you haven't liked it, how dare you? How dare you?
Well, that's pretty good. I like that.
Just dribbling on down. ATR's dropping. What are you doing?
Nothing.
we do need, for anything to happen, we've got 3 trend traffic lights finally, so we do need a bit of volume. We probably would just have enough distance if we get the bearish volume, but come on, where's our volume bubble? Nope. Not on this one. Just not strong enough. Where's our sellers at? So we've got our previous day low, and we've got 2 4-hour lows there as well, if I remember to turn them back on. Yeah, there we go.
It's 4 hour. That's the current daily.
What the PD low is?
Okay.
Oh, that first 4 hour, they're here.
First 4 hours, current daily low. So that's like confirmation.
But it'd have to be, because otherwise we'd have already taken the previous day low. Wouldn't be there. You are correct, Chris. All the sellers are out getting sausages.
Selling sausages.
Silly selling sausages, yeah. Right, well, we're going to sweep these now. But I ain't taking a sell into these.
It's current daily low.
The question is now, does it continue on down? We have a little look left. Next one would be 056.
Oh, slow.
Might come down. Previous area for 056 as well.
Just missed previous day.
It's one to keep an eye out for. Is it 056? No, it's 058. Talking shite. Yeah, there's 058. And then really you're going right down to 24601, which is right down here. Yeah. So we either reject from these, we might come down and take this one as well. And then either we're going to crash, in my opinion, But a massive drop, or we're going to carry on back up. If we close below this, I fancy us to take 058, and that would be a nice sell down to there. We can get a little bit up here, reject off the 4 hour and the hourly, come back down, take previous day low. Just this gap here. Let's get this one here, which is here, and then nothing for a while. And that's from.
Just depends if it's going to do it on Friday, which is just go down and down and down and down and down.
Yeah, Zoo's getting coal, lump of coal. That is correct.
What, have you not seen?
That's what Chris said. Are you getting? Have you been good, or are you getting a lump of coal? You can be the judge of that, guys. I was so close to taking previous day low. So close. Got man flu. There's always something wrong with you. You're always ill. It's not me anymore. You are now. Who's been ill the last 3 times?
You
No.
came back from the match ill, gave it me.
I was ill for half a day.
Yeah. Horrible. Made me ill for days.
You were ill for a fortnight.
Yeah.
Not my fault.
Sticky Everton nails. The blue virus.
It's easy to not get ill when you don't leave your room.
Quarantine, baby.
So obviously we can't get a bearish golden candle yet because we haven't had the bullish one. But we can get a sell signal because we haven't had one since the last break. Right, so that we've taken previous day low. And the current day low is gone, as we said. And the last 4 hour low. So we've taken the low of the previous 4 hour. Pre-trend traffic lights. Yes, high impact news tomorrow. Lots. Check Forex Factory. Pull it up in a minute. There is lots. So we are getting a sell signal. This is the area I said it might come to. Stay low. Let's close below. Nah, hate these ones.
It's just ripping down in it like it was on Friday. Everything tells you it's coming back on you.
I know.
It keeps going, it just keeps going, and it just keeps going.
I just can't, in any right mind, take a sell signal straight into the previous day low. Even though it hits, but Well done, Chris. Get your W's in the chat if you took it. Not a risk I was willing to take. It has come down and taken that level. What I would say is if it carries on now, I expect it to go a long way down. Reap that level. Could absolutely ricochet from here, you know. You got weepy eyes, you're sneezing, coughing. What have you come back for? I know, what are you here for?
Support.
That's, I don't want your support. I don't want your germs either.
Support.
At which point did I say, could you please come and sit next to me while I'm on the live and make me ill?
That's what friends do.
It is not. You're gonna go down, give me a pullback first. Come on.
No pullback for you. Just gonna rip. It's just gonna. You can just feel all those accounts getting burned as people start trying to catch the ball. Yeah. Just maybe stop a little bit.
Ah.
And then I'll have one now, and then I'll get out at break even, and it just keeps going.
I'm telling you. Oh,
It closed back above that level.
bullish volume. If it goes up, I called it. If it doesn't, it was your fault. Okay, so we've taken that level. I don't know exactly what level that was, to be honest with you, in class. Stop singing. This is why I don't want you to come back. Not only do you make me ill, you're just annoying me.
New York, New York.
What exact price was that? It was... Oh. Yeah, 259. Almost nailed on.
PS. Didn't take previous day low.
So we're getting our break up. See if this closes above.
Wow.
Here she comes.
Yes, it's flying. Sorry?
That's just right. And it drew it on when it was here. So it's going to there, and then bang. There's just so much space below that.
Place to go for the green.
So we're getting our pull back. 32 minutes into the hour.
Fucking hell. Good range.
See, the thing is, right now, we are still very bearish at the minute. We had a 4 hour open. Where's the other 4 hour? Yes, we're way below the other 4 hour. Way below on the hour. So we're still bearish. And what could quite easily happen here is, as I said, is if we take this here, there's a long way down. Or if it fights it, then be looking for longs. Not into that hour though. It's not, but it's the main competitor. Yeah. It's their main competitor. I had a quick scan before online. It looks better. The desktop is better than CapCut. I don't know, Chris. I'm not getting that error at all, if I'm being honest, mate. Right, so there's our break back down. We're getting 2 trend traffic lights at the moment. If it does go plummeting, I wouldn't mind catching that.
That's quite cool. Smart video. Automatically compare the content on the current timeline and generate audio for it. AI audio. Speech to text. Automatic conversion of video and audio files. Instant drawing tools.
See? Are we going to push down, or is this just a pullback on the way up? One more short. Short to where though, Aaron? You might get here, 938. That's possible. Let me mark that on. There was a It was going to go below. This might be its target. Possibly. It's going to need somewhere to go. Needs a reason for price, so. Interesting. I don't fancy it coming down. Why not? I tried a different one before. Put the song on, but it gave me still images, like Disney style still images with it, rather than.
To the outside.
Yep, golden candle.
Difficult one is.
It is. Okay, well, I'm going to take a punt on this one.
I think he's far enough away for it to come up in it.
Yep. So you get that push, there's TP1. I'm taking that.
Yeah.
Win, GG. Get your W's in the chat. Oh, you already have. Well done. Well done, guys. Aaron, Chris, Mac, Tara.
TP2.
I absolutely fancied that one. I love the golden candle there. Just to go through that, we'd sweep this level that I put on the chart before. In fact, I'll even show you where.
Colour of life.
What?
Which colour is it? Yeah.
How about you shut up? I was busy.
TP3. Oh,
Yes, golden candle TP3. Right, so what's that? 25057 is where I had it. So what I'll do is I'm just going to flip over to the 5 minute here.
whoever built that indicator needs a medal.
Which is where are we? 25058. Over here? No, it's further down. Losing my mind. Why has that not changed?
You still on the 1 minute?
No, it changed. Oh, I'm losing it here. 1 minute. Tell you what I want to do. Get rid of my volume bubbles. Drive me insane. I don't like them when I'm zoomed in. Hey, look. Yeah, it is. It's way further back. It's because it's doing this.
That's where the price is now. So it must have been that.
Yeah, it was here.
That's where we
191.
No, further down. Further down.
185.
Further down, yeah. Further down.
This is, it's here?
Yeah, but then we've gone up from where you leveled. You
Oh,
did
yeah.
that little wick, didn't you, above that low? Go down.
What do you mean go down?
One, like, see where 180 up a bit?
057, that's what I had there, yeah.
Yeah.
Does it come back up from there? Oh yeah, that's the bottom one.
Yeah.
That's the one I drew on.
Yeah.
At the bottom, yeah. So it's taken that 057, which is, and then obviously you just got all this below.
Yeah.
Which if I go to the 5 here, just zoom right out to where we are now. Look, we've come down, right down to this. At 058, where we drew the line. If we go left on 058, and just carry on there. Last time we got to that level, once it dropped through where it is now, it's about the 23rd November. And you look, it just it's got a ping off here, ping off here. Anyway, that was my mindset, guys. Difficult to show you on the little chart. Well, it was right. Drew it on. So we're now pinging into the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Now, because of this, if we're going to take any further signals to the upside, I want to be above this now. Cheers, Aaron. Thanks, mate. Thanks, Connor. Thanks, Connor. Have a good day, mate. You done as well, Chris. You're all done. To be honest with you, I've done 2 winning trades. I think I'm going to call it a day as well. I don't want to short now because I've got no draw for, well, I might have here, but if I'm getting along, which is where I think it's going, I think it's going to pee around in this bit for a bit.
2 good trades.
So 2 trades. Going to call it a day, guys. I've got lots to do. As I said, I'll be back on Wednesday. And don't forget, if you're not currently using Alpha Zones, you can get a 25% discount. It's our Christmas offer right now. In celebration of Zoo's epic win in the Grand Cup, use code ZOO. You get yourself 25% off.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're giving him 25% off in my name.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurts.
Well, you made money, they made money. So yes. So if you haven't got it, fire away. Yeah, I will. I will enjoy the painting. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming on, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button for us before you go. And I will see you on Wednesday, you lovely people. Thank you very much.